Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Cateye Strada Wireless. First, let's get it set up. Begin by securely installing the speed sensor on your front fork and attaching the magnet to a spoke. Ensure a gap of 3 to 5 millimeters between them. Next, mount the computer head unit firmly on your handlebars. Finally, pair the computer with the sensor by pressing the main button until the display shows a signal, confirming they are communicating. This ensures accurate data collection from your very first ride. Once set up, navigating your data is simple. Press the single button on the bottom of the unit to cycle through various display modes, such as current speed, trip distance 1, and total distance. You can also view average speed and maximum speed. The small up or down arrows indicate if your current speed is faster or slower than your average, providing instant feedback on your performance during the ride. This allows you to monitor your progress effortlessly. Accurate readings depend on correct calibration. To customize settings, first measure your wheel's circumference precisely, typically in millimeters. You can find common wheel sizes in your manual or online. Input this value into the computer settings menu. Then, select your preferred units of measurement, whether that's kilometers per hour or miles per hour, ensuring all your ride data is displayed exactly how you like it for easy interpretation. This personalization enhances your cycling experience. For ongoing use and maintenance, remember to reset your trip data after each ride by holding the main button for 3 seconds. This clears trip distance, average speed, and ride time, preparing for your next adventure. When the display dims, it's time to replace the CR2032 battery in the head unit. Also, periodically check the sensor battery to ensure consistent, reliable performance throughout all your cycling journeys. Proper maintenance extends the life of your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.